All right, what's going on, guys? I'm making a little video, nothing too special really, just gonna do a quick cold start. I haven't driven the truck in about what, 4 days? 4 days? Yeah, about 4 days or so. So it's gonna be extra crispy. I don't know how the audio sounds right now, but I'm hoping good. Hopefully you can't like hear a whole lot of the wind noise, but it is late in the day. It's 4:44, so it's not that cold, but I mean, why not? Better than being on my computer all day, right? Thought I would get a little video out. I did want to try something before the cold start. Actually, let's go back in the garage. I mean, I step on this dookie. My dog's a freaking menace. So, oh, I forgot it's dark in here. Turn this puppy on. Yeah. So, where the heck did I put him? Let me get around all this junk. My garage is a mess, but we'll get that situated here in a little bit. Here it is. So, my plan with this channel is obviously GM stuff, truck stuff, whatever, right? So, you know the iconic, well, if you know GM, right? The iconic platinum speaker trims. Rare as hell to find. Got a good deal, but if you look closely, it has all that bullshit on top of it. So I was like, when I first bought them, I was like, oh, you know, can't be that hard to fucking clean, right? Yeah. Boy, was I wrong. But hey, I'm gonna try something. Oh, but I didn't get just the trims. I did get the whole door panel. Now, the door panel's pretty junk, I will say. Oh shit, almost tripped. The door panel's pretty junk. Let me get out of the freaking darkness. I need more light in this damn place. But, try to put it somewhere in the light. So, let me get this all straight out. So, platinum door panel, right? Now this, I think I could get away with it with some like carpet paint or some shit. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, but other than that, I mean, the door panel's pretty clean except like these little scuffs that might be. I got the chrome trims. I already have the window controls and the armrest in my truck. I bought those separately before these, but I do plan on taking this back piece off and putting it into my door panels, this off, and take the trims and put them onto my already in the truck door panels. And then whatever things I can swap onto these, then I'll probably sell them cheap or something. I don't know. We'll see. But for now, let's get back to the cold start. Alright guys, so got the truck in. Hopefully that cold start sounded good. So guys, on a side note, I did do some Christmas lights on my truck. I didn't do it on the other truck, I just did it on one. But I will give y'all guys like a quick look around. Oh, let me adjust this real quick. And I really hope this mic is doing the job. I decided not to put the other mic on for just this video, but you know, real quick, you probably see it, my dog, the Menace. Then we got some on the top around the sunroof. I will be redoing the sunroof skin. Fucking hate it. Disgusting fucking work. But so little cat eye. Just giving a rundown on the lights. I was actually gonna do this on the tailgate, but I forgot about the tape. So, but hopefully here in a little bit, once it gets a little more, a little darker, I will be giving it a quick look. It needs a wash. It needs another wash. I actually washed it when I think the same day we did the lights. They're nothing too fancy, but it looks good. Now this truck is a 03. I did the HD grill, HD bumper. It has the HD bumper pad, obviously. HD hood with the cowl. Just some Amazon special clear headlights. Those are, I think I got them off of a 2011 Escalade. It was wrecked or whatever. Got them for 900 bucks like 3 years ago. I do have the power folding mirrors. Can't do shit without tint. You gotta have that tint. Obviously my Instagram. A lot of people seem to not know this bed. There she goes again, over here being a menace. And I've been asked a couple times like, hey, where'd you get your bed done? It's stock. Oh, what's the bed come off of? A quadrisphere bed. It's a quadrisphere bed. Oh, what are those? And then I have to explain the whole deal on what it is. But gas tank relocation looks like booty right now, so not even gonna go into that. I have to redo the wires on that, get it cleaned up real good and nice. It is dropped on a, I think it's on a 8-inch in the rear. It's about a 5-inch in the front. So I haven't seen a lot of people do this. I've only seen a couple, including myself. And it's the Escalade rear bumper. Probably been, I know it was done back in the 2000s, so whatever. And then Amazon tail lights, chrome tailgate handle, obviously the matching Escalade door handles. I forgot to say that. I do have a Titan window in the back, a G6 sunroof on the top, and there she goes again.